Right, here we are, started from Northern Lane, just north of Preston, round Longridge area. Never done this one before, so let's give it a try. So, as you can see, epic fail, first lane. 3 miles too low for patrol. Let's just have another look at this. I don't think many 4x4s are going underneath that, if any. So, first lane in the patrol. Massive failure. Or was it? Really? Never done this lane before. I know not come again. I'll leave the Trailwise 2 number on the screen now. Well, I've learned one thing anyway. Check Trailwise 2 before you set off. I've obviously not read that proper, have I? Just had a look what's knocking about. Had a drive, got a bit giddy on, you know. Got giddy chops on. Gone wrong, burr shaped. So, yeah, always check the comments. Live and learn. Right, catch you all later.